Hello and welcome everyone in my new channel. This is a regular guy tech reviews, and my first video will be unboxing of Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I do apologize for the quality, but hopefully it will improve with time, so let's get going. So we've got a fairly regular box, standard black box. All the information about the phone is there. It's a Kirin 980, which is the first 7 nanometer chip on the Android phone, so I'm very excited to test it out. 128GB of storage, 6GB of RAM, and it's a black version. I know everyone is going for Twilight or green, but I normally like to stick with standard, so black it is. So we've got inside, the lovely phone. It feels good in the hand as well, but let me first have a look what else is included in the box before I gonna fire it up. So right, so this is probably a standard paperwork, and yes it is. We also got a SIM opening tool, so let me have a look on this. I'm kind of struggling to take it out, bear with me please. Right. Oh, come on. That should be easier, shouldn't it? Right, and it's out. Good for me. Right, so what else we've got over here? So I can see a charging brick. And it's a 40-watt super fast charge, so it's actually very big and heavy, but apparently it should charge your phone from 0 to 70% in 30 minutes. So this is something I want to test as well. We also got some nice USB-C headphones, as yes, the Mate 20 Pro doesn't have a headphone jack, so well, some people might like it, some not, but I was usually a guy with a headphone jack headphones, but well, let's see. Well, we do have included a USB-C to headphone jack cable, so good for Huawei. Right, actually, honestly thought there will be a basic transparent case. I've seen it in some unboxing videos, but I guess UK is not as important, so they didn't include it here. Right, so that's everything in the box. Let's just hide those things up again. Right. Yeah, I'm struggling with these things today, I do apologize. Right, let's put it aside and let's start it up. Well, it looks and feels really lovely. I mean, actually it feels fairly similar to my Galaxy S9 Plus, which I'm actually filming with at the moment. And as my setup is not amazing, so that's why the video quality is like this, but I will need to invest in some camera. Right, so screen looks very bright, which is a good thing. Some standard setup. Right, let me just connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's all done. So now we've got a fingerprint, and yes, this baby has optical in-screen fingerprint sensor. I can see already it does take a while to put your fingerprint in. Well, that might be me coming from S9 Plus when you just basically swiped and it was done, but it is a new technology, fairly new technology, so it's just a few devices there with it, like OnePlus 60 for example, which came out very recently as well. So although I don't really mind, as at least I won't be messing up my camera every time I'm unlocking the phone. So that's something. Okay, so some standard password, and let's set up a face recognition. So basically this is a 3D, so apparently it's almost as secure as iPhone Face ID. So I'm really looking forward to test it out. I must say on the Samsung phones is not really reliable. It does struggle sometimes. Right, so we've got the screen and it looks amazing. Okay, it does. It feels fast and smooth. Obviously you've got MUI on top of it, so there's something I'll need to get used to as well. And I'll probably do some more videos about it. And yes, we've got a notch, so that's kind of new for me, but as far as I know we can hide it in the options. So let's have a look what it is. Yes, there it is. We can hide the notch, so I think I'm just gonna stick with it just to see how good or bad it is. The screen goes very bright, and I've noticed the screen resolution is actually set to full HD out of the box, so it's the same like on the S9 I had, but of course you can go up to 2K. Right, YouTube, let's see some video. I just want to really test out the screen
Because I'm Batman.
and see how amazing it is or isn't. So let's pop up. So nice 4K video here. Stretch it out. Okay, I'm not sure how good the camera gonna capture it, but it does look amazing. I mean, it really does. Right, everything looks smooth and nice. Okay, so I'm gonna be wrapping it up. So if you liked it, please like and subscribe for some more content. I hope it's fairly right for the first video. I hopefully will be improving with time, and yeah, catch you guys
Because
later.
I'm Batman.